Venison is one of my favorite proteins. Lean and flavorful when processed correctly, this meat is amazing. This dish is somewhere between a slow cooker pulled pork and a pot roast. To start, we need 3 cloves of minced garlic, half a bell pepper diced, half a red onion diced, and half of a tomato diced. For the spice mix, start with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, add a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, a teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix until combined. Turn your crockpot to high and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the minced garlic, the diced onion, the diced pepper, and the diced tomato. Cook uncovered for 15 to 25 minutes or until the vegetables are soft. Turn the crockpot to low and add the venison. I'm using venison round steak here, you could also use a venison roast. Add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire, and 4 tablespoons of the spice mix to the crockpot. Top with 1 cup of chicken broth, cover and cook on low for 2 to 5 hours until the venison is falling apart. I cooked this for about 4 hours. When the venison is tender enough, you really just need a pair of tongs to pull it apart. I served this as a sandwich on a roll with mayo and fresh onion. Would you make this?